up a little bit or if it's down. Oh, that big rope.
That was your fault.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to guide you into it, but it flicked.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the
On
one.
there.
Yeah. You feel it?
Yeah, man. So you can kind of see this is bodywork that we deliver is very different to your massage, and you know there's other real deep tissue work. Oh, mate. There you go, Brett.
There it is.
Deep
Tongue
tissue
tied.
work.
I don't even know what you're trying to say then.
Yeah, we have people writhing around and punching and
Kicking.
and they're in pain, and people just going like this, and it's like, g'day guys, need you here? Resident HYROX athlete Jason Cowland.
Oh, thanks, dude.
Megastar of the body.
Wow.
He wants to get himself right for the next event. It's in about 6 weeks or not even
4 weeks.
4 weeks
Not
time.
even.
Whoa,
Yeah,
I'm
we're
ripping you
coming
off a little
quick.
bit. Give me a bit more time. He's having trouble with his wall balls. He needs to get down here and like that. He's got to get a certain level. And he's a bit
Gotta get
blocked.
bumble on your knees.
Blocked in here, aren't you? Groins
Yeah,
and
but just anyone that might be struggling, this is how you can improve your HYROX performance. So make sure your bum's getting below your knees every time.
so you need go and see your body worker.
Yep, so you don't get any no reps. Don't be doing 110 wall balls if you don't have to.
That's right.
No.
So we're going to do the famous groin money spot.
Adductor, yep.
So we're going to get underneath that gracilis. That's the key.
That's the guide rail.
Guide rail, and then we can kind of go from there. Do we need to go on it or underneath it or, you know, all those kind of things. But we need to get the portal. The portal. That's what we teach in our course. Where are all the portals? Where are all the money spots? Where they live? Where are they most likely to find the source of the suffering?
Yeah. Where does it start?
Where does it start? So we need to know. So you can help your person get out of chronic pain or perform better. So in your case, we want you to perform better. So that's what it's all about. So I'm just going to bear in there a little bit more, give you a little bit more weight.
Start to push
Feel
into
alright?
it. Yeah, it's not too bad.
Yeah, he's in good nick, this bloke.
Yeah.
Remember the old Melbourne president, Joseph?
Joseph Goodnick.
Yeah.
That's an obscure
You like
one.
that one?
You talk about obscure anatomy, but you've come out with obscure names.
Yeah. Obscure rhyming slang. You're Joseph. You're in Joseph.
Joseph.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, call you Joseph. What do you reckon?
You'd be getting yourself right as well, then.
Yeah,
You're
I'm Joseph
ready
at
to
the
perform
moment.
for a
Yeah.
couple of weeks' time or end of this week. You start tests here.
Yeah, I'm going to be smart. Sly old fox.
Get yourself through. What do you got?
Yeah.
Pretty much 2.5 weeks of training.
Yeah, so double sessions every day. So
Smart in.
Yeah.
Maybe just one for you
I'm
at the
going
start.
from
Or...
training, 2 times a week, and then we went to 4 times a week, just doing little bits and
Yeah, you
pieces.
got to do 2 times a day.
So yeah, it's a little bit much for an old dog. So I'm going to just concentrate on my running. I'm not going to blow myself up in the gym. That was my tactic. No, I'm not going to try and lift PBs. I don't think on deadlifts and
That's good
squats,
for you,
'cause
ninja. You want to be able
I'll
to
blow
walk.
up.
You don't want to be crippled.
Yeah. Yeah, like right now 170 deadlift and 120 squats about
Pretty good.
where I can,
Still
it's a
function.
good effort.
Yeah.
It's a good solid effort, but it's not going to destroy me.
Yeah.
Yeah, my battery.
It's repeatable.
Yeah.
Repeat efforts for ninja. That's what he's here for. Oh.
Yeah. Going down a little bit, you feel that?
A little bit down there, yeah.
Yeah. So we just got to give Jace what he needs. So this is life-changing for some people, this money spotting here. Nobody else in the world does it. Only people that are copying us, but you need to do our course to find out exactly what we're doing.
Yep, only people that have been through the course would
Really
know this portal.
Got to get it from the source. The source.
Exactly.
That's it. So yeah, anyway, I can do a little bit of dynamic, just doing these little changes with his knee. Push under, and then I think Jace likes, when he's treating me, he likes going on top of the old gracilis a bit too.
Don't mind it when it flattens that out.
Yeah, sort of that's his pet event.
Yeah.
So you kind of you like your own breed?
Jeez, I hope not.
I think that was an old Billy Colony joke. You like the smell of your own farts. So we like our own treatment, I think. So we do on others what we kind of want on ourselves a little bit. We shouldn't, but it's kind of nature, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll just do a bit on there. And what I want to do from here, I want to come out a little bit.
Oh, he's going to go on top.
I'm going to go on top.
Oh, yeah.
Through the crease. So I'm doing a flat, broad stroke here. And so what I want to do is bear in, I think Jay said maybe sartorius. Sartorius.
More on the
whatever.
outside, but
I'm going to work through this crease where all these attachments are through here. And then we'll get up into like the quad attachments as well through to the TFL. The coffee muscle.
The coffee muscle.
The latte.
Or just the top of your leg ninja.
Yeah, that's right.
You can fill in the blanks.
Keep it BG, yeah. The coffee muscle.
Didn't know there was a latte in your leg.
No,
did you?
Yeah. Milk, that just means milk, doesn't it?
I think so, yeah. Frothed milk.
Yep. So you don't need to have coffee in it for it to be a latte, do you? It's a cafe latte, or you could have a cocoa latte, maybe.
There you go, a little bit of
chocolate.
Milk knowledge. Didn't expect that to be on the channel.
No, you got to be careful these days with our banter, our little videos, because Brit's fucking.
She's watching.
Sniffing round.
What's she going to find on this one,
shit that she finds in our videos. Isn't she? She's like a hawk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much shit can we talk in one video?
Yeah. So even if there's like 20 seconds of shit, she'll find it. Yeah. G'day out there, Brit.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, mate.
Anything from this video? What do we
I don't know if there's anything gold in there or not.
Nah, you're always spitting gold
Always
in,
something, isn't there?
Maybe we could do the number of times you called me the body over the
body.
She should be going a fair while, wouldn't she?
Yep. Resident HYROX athlete.
That's new. That's new, but the body's been...
The body,
It's at least been a few years.
Yeah. I feel bad when I'm doing videos with Darth. So you're the body too.
Just pot him.
Yeah.
Or am I straightening out, Ninja?
Yeah,
or
straighten her out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, now you're going to start to get into her.
Yeah, I just sort of...
Give it a bit of curry.
Creeping up on you. You want
Creeping up on me?
Real treatment.
Yeah.
In there.
Nah, you're always doing real treatment, aren't you, Ninja?
Yeah, never hold back. While we're here, you might as well get fixed, eh?
Yeah, absolutely.
We're not just doing this for fun.
Oh. No, not just doing it for the entertainment out there.
This is real serious body work.
Yeah, this is going to help your ability to get deep into your flexion if you're a HYROX athlete struggling with the wall ball. Hopefully this will make me smash it.
Yeah. I'm just changing angles.
Give me 100 wall balls in 4 minutes, Ninja. I reckon that'd be a pretty good one.
How long does it take to do one? Is it like 5 seconds or something?
It depends how knackered you are at the end of the race, I guess.
Yep. So if you try and do like 20 a minute.
I think I'll try and do it in blocks of 20.
25 a minute. It's 4 minutes, eh?
Jeez, that's pretty quick. Just got to try and get into rhythm and just battle. Sometimes in the training it's harder, but I think when I did the other competition last year, I actually felt really good in it. So I don't know if it was just like when you're in competition mode, you're like, oh, just keep going. The quicker it's over, the quicker you're done. Where at training, it's sort of like, oh, I've got another station to do, or you're doing it in the circuit. So I'm hoping a bit of that comes out to me for the competition day.
Yep. So how heavy is the ball?
I think 6 kilos.
6 kilos.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nothing.
No, it's not.
It doesn't feel like anything at the start.
Not the strength. It's more just the
endurance.
Yeah, you just start to fatigue, and you get if you don't get your breathing right, like if you're holding your breath, and you sort of get there, and you're like, oh shit, it just hits you.
Yeah.
So, we'll see. Maybe I'll be able to get 100 unbroken.
Yeah, I reckon. 100 straight.
Jeez, I need to practice when we come up to the Gold Coast, and I'll just wall ball every day.
Go to a CrossFit gym.
Get you lunging 80 metres.
Yeah. You want me to
You'd
train
love that, wouldn't you?
Maybe we can do a bit of
that's a good one, Ninja.
HYROX,
We'll get to that.
training session with the Americans.
Yeah, could do.
We can get celebrity body up and take this session, please, Jace.
Yeah.
Put us through our paces.
Be good timing for me to do like a little simulation. So, or maybe we could see if three can beat 2.
Yep.
Put them against us. And
yeah, that's a good idea. Bit of rivalry. Healthy competition.
I reckon they'd have us covered on the sled push though.
Yeah,
pretty powerful boys.
How's that? I'm hitting you.
That's good, yeah. That's sort of where I feel it.
Yeah. So you'll be squatting good now.
I'll be squatting good now, yeah. Have that deep deep range.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's good. Can't tell if I need it to come up a little bit or if it's down. Oh, that big rope.
That was your fault.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to guide you into it, but it flicked.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the
On
one.
there.
Yeah. You feel it?
Yeah, man. So you can kind of see this is bodywork that we deliver is very different to your massage, and you know there's other real deep tissue work. Oh, mate. There you go, Brett.
There it is.
Deep
Tongue
tissue
tied.
work.
Dude, I don't even know what you were trying to say then.
Yeah, we have people writhing around and punching and kicking, and they're in pain, and people just go like this, and it's like, there you go, shit. Whereas we're
I reckon she's found the spot now.
it needs more trauma than anything. You got to damage all the cells, but you're creating more trauma. So we don't want more trauma. We want to heal the world, make it a better place.
Absolutely.
Michael Jackson. All right, I think I'm done.
Done? Happy with that? Yeah, I reckon we're done.
You're done.
Fixed.
So yeah, bodywork. It's a way to get fixed. So yeah, we'll see you all again soon. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Done.
Thanks, Ninja.